Hello everyone, I Sandeep welcome you all on a journey of self-improvement. Here, since last few days, I am trying to make short videos on any random topic which will improve my communication skill, my power of expression and word selection. Well, in the same series, I have a new topic to discuss with you all, but before I start, I request you all to please rate and review and tell what are the points I'm still lagging behind. I definitely welcome your all feedbacks and try to implement in my next video. Well, we all know winter is coming, and I did not highlight the episode of Games of Thrones. Seriously, we are entering in month of October. Since winter is round the corner, so the pollution will be. And yes, it is a truth. Since last few years, we have witnessed extreme pollution in national capital and any other cities. And once again, we will end up blaming our farmers for parali burning. Once again, we will miss the key point that there is an exponential growth of vehicles on Indian roads. Nobody will discuss this. You know, 6 out of 10 most polluted cities come from India, and you will strange to see the names. It consists national capital Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Faridabad, Kanpur, and Lucknow. Well, it's not a matter of pride for us. Lots of problems we have, but what is the solution for it? Planting more trees? Of course it is. But since we have accepted the concept of urban jungle, where we have empty land behind, nowhere. So, what is the solution now? We cannot plant trees because we do not have space for that. Well, I think in the extreme darkness, we still have hope of ray in the form of electronic vehicles. Yes, time has come to change, to accept this change. And we all know that one day fossil fuel will vanish. Prices of petrol and diesel is going high on daily basis. So the time has come to accept this change and implement electronic vehicles in our daily life. Someone can say that it is not pocket friendly and it is not more reliable as compared to the conventional source of vehicle, for example petrol and diesel. But for them I will try to say, or I will say that lots of R&D has been done on it. It is more safer, more reliable, and if you see in a long term, it is more pocket friendly. Here I will try to wrap up on this note that time has come, we must accept this new change of electronic vehicles. Please rate and review. Please tell what are the positive points I have done in this video comparatively with other videos. Thank you very much all. Jai Hind.